Hello guys, how's it going? Here's the CS student again, and we're going to be doing this lab called OS command injection simple case. Alright, so what is OS command injection? OS command injection is a type of vulnerability in which basically what happens is that the program, the API, the website, anything that you make or anything that a software developer makes takes a user input, or well, normally that's the case, right? Takes user input and executes something out of the intended behavior, right? Executes a command, and that's why we call it command injection. So the lab says, okay, this lab contains an OS command injection vulnerability in the product stock checker, similar to the previous one that we did. And basically what we need to do is the application executes a shell command containing user-supplied products and stores IDs and returns the raw output. Okay, so that's good because it returns raw output, right? And what we need to do is, from the command in its response to solve the lab, execute who I am to basically complete the challenge. So that's the command that we need to run. So let's access the lab, and meanwhile, we can potentially identify a couple of things while we use burpset. By the way, open your burpset if you don't have it open yet, because otherwise, yes, you can still do it without, but it's just more convenient to use burpset, and that's the whole point of this Web Security Academy, right? So let's just choose this one, which is called picture box, and let's see how they have this feature over here, right? So we're gonna turn on the intercept, we're gonna check stock, and as you can see, very simple. All right, so let's send it to repeater. So first, let's just send it back and see what we get. 62 units, easy. All right, we can do the same here just to verify that everything is fine and it matches. Yeah, good. Now it's saying that we can do command injection, right? So that means I could potentially run something like this. I hope you guys can see it over here. This, yeah. And what this is gonna do is, if I obviously imagine that's how the program behaves, it's because it's raw output, right? So this is gonna cut the command. All this won't matter, and it's gonna allow a new command to be executed, which in this case I'm just saying list directory, right? ls, which is gonna give me all the files in there. So I can just run that, and let's see if we get something. And as you can see, it throws us the 62 as usual, but it also throws us stock report sh, which that's good. So we can tell that it's vulnerable to command injection. Even if I want, I can do cat stock report.sh, and we can get like what the file has inside. Like for example, it does a checksum or something like that. And the main goal in this one will be just to run who am I. So we can get like the user, right? So we're gonna run this, and if you see over here, obviously we will get the challenge passed as soon as I stop the intercept. There you go. So that's it for this challenge. I hope you liked the video, and ask me any questions in the comments if you feel like. See ya.